So let's say, for instance, I have multiple shapes right here. So I'm going to go around onto shapes for that. And then I'm going to choose, let's say, for example, this shape, hold Control and click and drag to bring in the shapes right here in random order. So let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and align these out together. In that case, I can simply select out all of these shapes right here, which may be pictures or any other objects. Then you can go around over here onto arrange, and here you can see that distribute is an option. So you can go ahead and distribute it horizontally right here, and it adds in a bit of a space equally right here, horizontally right here, and you can also add in vertically so that there's a vertical space in between them. And you can see that it looks much more managed. But what I can also do is I can line it out over here onto the middle, so everything is middle line right here, just like this. Let's say, for example, if this is a bit off, then you can go around onto distribute right here and horizontally distribute it out right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and drag this out just like this a bit right here, just like this. And now it's not aligned properly, but as soon as I go ahead and then distribute it out, let's say, for example, vertically right here, then it makes a straight line right here, just like this, and the same goes horizontally as well. If you were to go to align, you can center align this out as well. Let me just press Ctrl Z, and you can go ahead and then, let's say, for example, bottom align it out as well. Apart from that, you can also go ahead right here and center align it out right here, and then you can right align it as you need, and then you can left align it out just like this as well. And that is how you can align and distribute elements inside of Google Vids as needed. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.